Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to draw Kakashi Hatake again. So I have a reference photo there and I'm starting drawing with the headband as that's the main thing in the whole picture. And let's draw a rectangle for it and then start drawing the headband. Grab your sketchbook and pencil and start drawing along with me because it's gonna be easy and you can't do that in my thoughts. So what you have to do is to watch the video till the end and like the video. So here headband is almost done and let's find the things connected to it like these hairs on the both sides in the reference photo. Then draw the ears behind those hairs. You were able to do that or not, tell me in the comment section quickly and send me the picture of your work on Instagram and here it is. I will glad to see and I will be happy that my viewers are really learning from my videos, and if you did then subscribe my channel too and watch my other videos too. So for the eyes now, let's draw these two lines and then rectangles on both sides like this with a little distance, and then draw the eyebrow and eyelid first and then we will be drawing the eyes. And before drawing the other eye, quickly tell me in the comment section which character should I draw next or which anime character is your favorite. I will be glad to know. Moving to the other eye, but in the reference photo the eye is closed, but I am drawing the opened eye because I think it will look more good. But if you can draw both eyes the same or it's difficult for you to draw two eyes, so you can draw a closed eye, that's not a big deal. It's time to draw the mask now, so start with the nose and then we will slowly go to the ears like this. Is it looking easy to you? Please tell me in the comment section. I'm requesting to you and that's the thing I request in my every video but still not getting any comments and that hurts, you know. So here I have done the nose too and now I'm drawing the jawline by starting from the ears and then drawing the chin just under the nose after some distance. And then what you have to do is to join all those points together. Time to draw the head hairs now, and just you have to draw a zigzag like this. It's not a big deal if you can't draw as it is the reference photo because it doesn't make a big difference. Like, you know, if you can draw everything, all the thing like this, it doesn't make a big difference in the case of cartoons. But if you are drawing a real life character, every single detail has importance. Let's complete the headband now that I left before. And draw this Naruto anime sign through this easy way: a snail, a triangle, and a line. Let's do a little bit of beginner shading now, like I'm using a 3B pencil now. I'm telling you, I'm still doing a simple and light shading. So now let's color the mask and the headband thoroughly like this. And it's pretty looking good, yeah. I have not done much shading, but it's still looking good and like a difficult kind of thing for the beginners. And now I'm going to do the blending with a blending stump quickly. But if you don't have a blending stump, you can use cotton or tissue for the white areas, or you can skip blending too. And now I'm using a white paint marker to make a shining dot in the eye. Our beginner tutorial is finally done, and let's do some more shading according to the reference photo with graphite and blending stump. So let's see me doing. I'm doing shading with a 6B graphite with a blending stump dipping in it. It's a far more easy method to do shading, and it's also a lot quick than doing with a pencil. But sometimes we have to use pencil tools to have a sharp layout. That blending stump and graphite trick is cool until you are doing dark shading. I think it don't work on light shadings and skin tones. So now let's use an 8B pencil to have more details. So now it's time to use a 2B pencil. It's a far more light pencil than 8B. There's no competition between them. And now I'm creating some more light details, and now I'm using a 3B, just one grade up from 2B. And if you are still watching my video, you probably love the tutorial. That's why you are still here, and I hope you are not leaving without liking the video, without subscribing my channel and making a good comment. It's like I will love to see your comment, I will love to reply, and I will be extremely happy when I see a new subscribers. So don't forget to like, okay? Time to use a 4B grade that is more darker than 3B, and let's use it for more details and shadows. I know only a few people are still watching this video, and I got really important thing to tell you guys, and those who left the video before are gonna miss that. And that thing is, I love you guys so much. Currently on the video I'm using a 3B pencil. Again using that blending stump technique because it's a dark area to shade. Finally, it's time to do blending, but blending is not needed. The sketch is still looking good, but I have to do that because I do it in every sketch, and the sketch feels incomplete to me if I don't do that. But they actually are not incomplete. They are complete even without blending. So I just want to tell that don't hesitate to skip blending. And now I'm using a sketching razor pen to remove the extra graphite and create shines. So finally sketch is done, and do your signature in the end. And we are done. Let's go for the final look, and that was the reference photo actually. I really hope to meet you guys in the next video, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye. Watch the last video if you want to try another sketch of Kakashi Hatake.